500.
Falcon 2 radar contact South Cap Bridge. Traffic on a 4-mile final, correction, on a 5-mile final for 1 to CR Data Center 1500.
Falcon 2, we're looking for the RJ.
Falcon 2, that RJ now is approaching the Wilson Bridge at 1300 and descending.
Falcon 2, roger that, we have the RJ, we'll maintain the descent.
Falcon 2 Tower. Falcon 2 Tower.
Falcon 2, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, Falcon 2, I need you to start heading eastbound for Zone 3 right now. You're not in Zone 3, you're just over Poland. Zone 3 is about another quarter-mile to the east of you.
Falcon 2, roger that. We're trying to get down, again, I don't know what you want me to call it, but just north of the National Harbor here.
Falcon 2, that's a completely different request. You said Zone 3. I'm going to have some aircraft go misapproach on our final. How long are you going to be in the National Harbor?
If I do, this is a kidnapping. I'm not sure how long.
All right, Falcon 2, understand you're active. We'll go ahead and coordinate with Mount Vernon. And you're going to continue on your the position heading eastbound now, or are you going to continue southbound? Where exactly you need to go?
I need to get back over to the west here.
Falcon 2, you need to go ahead heading west. Okay, copy.
And Falcon 2, we're on station, sir.
Falcon 2, say again, sir. We just coordinated. You guys can continue on course. Let me know when you guys are on station.
Falcon 2, roger that. We're on station, sir.
Falcon 2, understand you're on station now?
That's affirmative.
Falcon 2, let me know when you guys are done with whatever you guys got going on, and we can continue with the inbounds.
Roger that.
Falcon 2, you got traffic at the Wilson Bridge, E170. He's climbing northwestbound out of 1,000 feet now.
Falcon 2, roger that. We have this site. We'll make it to this up.
Falcon 2, this separation is approved. Falcon 2, about how much longer do you think you'll need at your present position?
Falcon 2, yeah, I'm not sure how much time it's going to need. This is a kid that was kidnapped, a 7-year-old.
Falcon 2, I understand. Yeah, just let us know whenever you guys got to move if you guys are able to move eastbound. We'll stop all the arrivals till you guys get your mission done. We understand the importance of this. I appreciate you coordinating with us.
Roger that. Thank you, sir.
Southwest 3820, are we pretty much heading back in, or is it going to be a little bit longer for fuel conservation?
Falcon 2, any estimates yet?
I have to get you repeat, I'm sorry.
Falcon 2, any estimates on how long are you going to need to be there?
Falcon 2, I think it's going to be at least 10 more minutes.
Falcon 2, copy.
Can you head to the east about a quarter of a mile or so? Actually about a half mile.
Half mile up. That's look far out. The guys are on foot.
You could do a quarter mile to the east?
Yeah, I'll work it.
Are you on like, I just sat down a little bit ago. You guys are have the target in sight on foot?
Negative. We're looking for him on foot. There's witnesses that are saying that they saw him here and here, and that's why we're kind of hopping around.
Sure.
Yeah, I'll give you guys a little bit better description on the phone.
Okay. You're where you are right now is good.
Roger that.
I can work with that.
Okay.
Go further to the west of where you are. That'd be great.
Roger that, sir.
Falcon 2, like I said, you're good where you are. No further to the west than that. If you need to go further west, give me a heads up, and I can work it out for you, but I'll just have to get some of these fixed wings out of here again.
Roger that. I understand.